If you ever fall in love, hello my friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. If you ever fall in love with someone who wants to know your favorite color and just how you like your tea or coffee. Fall in love with someone who loves the way you laugh and would do absolutely anything to hear it. Fall in love with someone who, puts their head on your chest to hear your heartbeat. Fall in love with someone who kisses you in public and is proud to show you off to anyone they know. Fall in love with someone who makes you question why you were afraid to fall in love in the first place. Fall in love with someone who would never, ever wants to hurt you. Fall in love with someone who falls in love with your flaws and thinks you are perfect just the way you are. Fall in love with someone who thinks that you are the one they would love to wake up each and every day. Okay, dear Unique, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and always remember there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Ashe. Amira Rani.